Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, February 15, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, February 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong February 15, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, February 15, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 62.5 million pesos for February 15, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video of Thursday, February 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.